Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to explain to you and show you how to start up a business account and with what content are you going to start your business account. And let's just go into it. This is actually a Greek Instagram business account, but it's fine, you will understand. And as you can see here, what you want to do, the basic idea is that you want to start with posts that are attractive for other people, and other people will want to follow. Okay, and if you're starting, you want to start by putting in your business Instagram account, 10 to 15 business photos of your business and your best photos of your business. And you should actually upload those photos before you start the follow unfollow process or follow for follow, etc. And as you can see here, I will just show you a bit. This is a very good example of what a business can do. It's not just promoting products, but this business actually makes a specific image, or creates a specific image and brands the business. As you can see here, there are people, okay, coffee, one of probably their drinks, etc. And basically most of the times what people do when find out your account or your business account, what they do is that they click on your name. For example, in this case, this one, they would click on here and then they would go and check the first 3 to 4 rows of this account to see, okay, what is this account, what the content is, etc. So that they see if it is interesting. So it is a good idea to start putting up, again, good quality photos of your business and your brand. And when you start making posts like photos or videos in your Instagram account, don't fill it up only with your products and the prices and saying buy this. Like imagine this account, this being a bar, having this in a menu and then saying $19 or €19 or whatever, and then only here filled up with products like this, blah blah blah. It's not the best. It's not the best. It's actually an incorrect way to market and to brand. You should upload posts that show your business, like this one. This is actually a very good idea that they did. Once upon a time, these two